All right, so I just received this package here. This is the Shark RV1001AE, better known as that self-emptying shark back. The Roomba's competition at about, half the price. Maybe a little less because I got it on the Amazon deals. Yeah, supposedly this thing will keep sweeping up your house. Well, you get to be lazy, which is probably the only reason I bought the damn thing. But yeah, bagless, self-emptying, holds up to 30 days of dust and debris. You have to have a pretty clean house for that. I mean, I literally just ran like a Hoover bag vacuum. It took me 5 minutes to do my carpets on the first floor, and it's like, what the hell did I even order this thing for? Inconvenience. Okay. What's this say? Power switch. Yeah. He's got some robust wheels. Supposedly this is the, this will keep hair and strings and things of that nature from winding around your brush. We'll see. Let's take a look at that. Just pops right out. Or if it goes in as easy as it came out. Yeah, I guess it does. Yeah, it's a battery cover. I'd have to unscrew it. I'm not going to go that deep into it. But yeah, supposedly this thing's got some smart technology where it goes back and forth like you would sweep, as opposed to random intervals. Got some brushes here. I have to attach those. They look like they just snap right on. But yeah, it doesn't just do random patterns like the Roomba does. This thing's like basically like Legos. Notice I didn't read any manual. If you got to read a manual for something this easy, I don't know. Get a man in your life. Wouldn't have to have things like this if I had a lady's touch in the house. But then again, I like having my own shit, knowing where it's at. Peel here. For best results, set up on hard floor. Cool. Something tells me this little base here, that's gonna supplement putting it on a hard floor. Now look at that, it's like it all goes together. Okay. So I'm not going to hook this up to my phone just as yet because my current phone is temporary. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in, and then I'm just going to set it to work as if it wasn't automated, or not automated, but as if it wasn't networked. What's this? Avoid obstacles and optimize robot performance with bot boundary strips. So I guess this keeps it out of certain rooms. I want this thing to run free. There's no stairs that's going to fall down, and even if it does, I'm not worried. GoPro, stop recording. All right, so I'm going to set this thing here in my dining room. Probably not the most advantageous spot, but it's supposed to have 3 feet on either side and a 5-foot run. I don't think it's actually getting that, but don't really care. I'm gonna let it charge. That's the vacuum base doing its protocol to suck out whatever's in there, but since there's nothing and it hasn't ran, it's just going through the motions. But yeah, we'll give it that 6 hours charge time and then hit it back again. All right, so I'm going to start in my dining room. It'll have free access to my kitchen, and my living room it'll have access to. And we'll see if it's able to get over there. But right now, I have these little squares of paper. They're at every table leg. They're underneath every chair, centered. This will be the last one. And then I got one in the center underneath the table. So this obstacle is going to present quite the challenge for this thing, I believe. And with 14 of those down, we'll see how many it picks up. I'm going to hit the clean button now, and maybe I'll start a time lapse on it. All right, it did not acknowledge the clean with one tap. Pressing it. All right, so already going to work. It's hit that first piece of paper, and it's already gotten that. Probably do something to manage that cord a little bit better, but as you can see, it's made an about face, and it's gone pretty much in line with the last sweep. Now it's doubling back over its tracks. And it's almost got the second piece of paper. Yeah, I can already tell that I like the way this thing sweeps as opposed to the Roomba. It missed that second piece of paper, but it did get the area with the sweeping arm. And of course, it is still learning the room, so what I'll do is I'll give it time to figure it out. All right, so it just got back into the dining room. It picked up the second paper, and the sign for, or the green light for dock came on. So it's spent an inordinate amount of time over in the living room by the door, and now it is seeking out its docking station. I was eating a orange earlier, and there was a little piece of pith that came off, and I deliberately threw it on the ground in my living room. I noticed that this thing did not hit it, but there were a couple other pieces that it did manage to pick up. And again, cleaning is about frequency, so if this thing's running automated all day, every day on a schedule, I don't see why eventually, eventually I would not have to clean my carpets or vacuum my carpets. And all I would have to do is empty that base station there. So currently it has only picked up 2 of the paper chits. We'll see how long over time it takes it to pick up the rest. You can actually see debris falling down in there. And that's the extent of it sucking that up. Oh, So I guess it's still got battery on it. It just went to dock to empty itself. Well, that's a heck of a thing to catch. We'll go back to time lapse. Alright, looks like it is finished cleaning, because it's got the dock on solid green without the blue clean blinking. So it has been about 90 minutes. I forgot to set a timer on this thing. See if we can get a look. See, I got a flashlight here. We've picked up quite a bit. All right. Actually, let's take a look at that. See what we got. Can already tell that that filter is collecting some dust here. There we go. I'm just going to empty it out right here. So, this is the trash portion. You can see that screen actually has collected a lot of dust. Reasonably easy to clean. And it's got these passivity screens. They seem to catch a lot through these air chambers. So this is where the air is being pulled in, and it's channeled through here where the motor pulls it in through a series of air chambers through this duct into the collection bin. Yeah, pretty nifty. Yeah, right up through here, into here, then the air goes through here. Not a bad haul for the first go around. And time for Old Reliable.